Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to discuss about the spec sheet for the Redmi 10X Pro 5G, which is a new device that has been unveiled by Xiaomi in an event in China. There are total 3 devices which has been unveiled, but in this video I'm going to discuss about the 10X Pro 5G spec sheet and tell you about all the specification and whether this device is going to be worth of buying or not. So let's begin the video, and starting from the display of the Xiaomi Redmi 10X Pro 5G, it is coming with a 6.57 inch of AMOLED display with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixel. 20:9 is the aspect ratio, and the front is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Also, the front is coming with an HDR10 Plus support, and we will also see water drop notch present on the front of the device. That water drop notch is coming with a 20 megapixel of camera sensor inside that has the ability to record 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second. Moving on towards the back side, we have a quad camera setup on the back side, and the back is also protected by Gorilla Glass 5 protection. We have a 48 megapixel of a main camera sensor, 8 megapixel of a telephoto lens which have a 3 time of optical zoom and optical image stabilization as well present inside. 8 megapixel is going to be the ultra wide camera, and 5 megapixel is going to be the macro shooter which is going to be seen in that particular device. LED flashlight is also present on the back side. And moving on towards the internals of the device, we have MediaTek Dimensity 825G chipset present inside, and that chipset is based on Mali G57 GPU, which is going to be a decent GPU inside that particular device. Also, it is coming with two different variants, and both variants have 8 gigs of RAM, and the storage is going to be 128 gigs of internal storage and 256 gigs of internal storage. The storage is based on UFS 2.1. Also, it is coming with a micro SD card slot dedicated inside the device. Battery wise, the device is coming with a 4520 mAh of a battery with a fast charging support of 33 watt inside. Price for the 8 gigs and 128 gigs of internal storage device is going to be $322, whereas the other variant 8 gigs and 256 GB of internal storage is going to be coming with a price tag of $364, and it goes on sale starting on June 6. So guys, overall if we look at that device, it is not kind of a high-end level device, but coming with 5G and coming with an AMOLED display, which is a decent spec sheet for that particular device in such a price tag. But I'm not convinced, because not providing a 90 Hz of a refresh rate and still charging a $300 plus device is not fair from Xiaomi, because there are certainly more devices in the category of 5G which have decent cameras, and also they are providing 120 Hz of a refresh rate in such a price tag. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.